Okay, good. All right. So what's the first thing we have to do? Let's look at it. What is the first thing it tells us? We have to find our what?
Find the first two vowels and the label with a V.
Very good. So my first vowel is what?
U.
My second vowel is what?
E.
All right. The next thing it tells me is to draw what?
A bridge connected the bottom of the two VS.
All right. So go ahead and draw your bridge on yours. All right. The next thing it's going to tell me is to label my consonants. What are my two consonants between my vowels? What's my first consonant?
Consonant.
What's my first consonant? Remember, it's anything that's not a vowel. So what's my first two consonants in here in the middle?
N.
Very good. What's my next consonant?
S.
All right. Go ahead and label your consonants.
Any.
No, label these two consonants. Do exactly what I have on here. Good job. Now, I have to figure out where to divide, okay? Here's the trick. The first thing you always want to do in this particular case, you want to divide between the first two consonants. So where am I going to divide? Between what two letters?
Divide two letters.
Divide between what two letters? Because I want to divide between my first two consonants. So what's my consonants? What am I going to divide? Between the N and the
S.
Very good. So go ahead and divide there. No, come all the way down like Miss Destiny. All right. Now, I have my first syllable. Is this syllable open or closed?
Closed.
Good job. So I'm going to put CL up here. Is this syllable open or closed?
Closed.
Good job. Okay. Now it's going to tell me to read the syllables. So let's read this. What does it say? Sun. Uh-huh.
Set.
Uh-huh. How we put it together? Sunset.
Sunset.
Very good. Try it on yours. Sun.
Sun.
Uh-huh.
Set.
Uh-huh.
Sunset.
Good job. Let's try another one. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's your next one. All right, let's erase this one. Go ahead and erase your board.
I need an eraser.
Oh, no. There you go, baby.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. And I want you to write the word INLET. All right, what's my first vowel?
I.
Good job. Go ahead and label that one with the V. What's my next vowel?
E.
Good job. Go ahead and label that with the V. Now I'm going to draw my what?
Bridge.
Good job. Go ahead and draw your bridge. Now I'm going to label my two what?
Consonant.
Good job. What's my first consonant?
N.
Good job. What's my next consonant?
E.
No, E's already a vowel. What's my next consonant right beside this N?
I.
That's an L.
L.
What's my consonant?
L.
Good job. Now I need to divide. Where am I going to divide between the what two letters?
N and L.
Very good. Now I have to label my syllables. What's my first syllable? Open or closed?
Open.
Look at it carefully. What's my vowel? It has a consonant right behind it. So what's that going to be?
Closed.
Good job. What's my next syllable? Open or closed?
Closed.
Very good. Label it closed. All right. Now what am I going to do? How am I going to read it?
In.
Uh-huh.
Let.
Uh-huh.
Inlet.
Good job. I want you to try this one by yourself, okay? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's do this one. Even though you can read it, I still want you to practice it because this is one of the easier ones, okay?
Mm-hmm.
right, go ahead and work it out. What is Miss Destiny gonna do?
Find my vowels.
Good job. I'm copying you. That's an S.
Oh.
There you go. What's your next vowel?
E.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What am I gonna do next?
Draw the bridge.
Good job. What we
Then
gonna
find the continents.
consonants? Okay. What's the first consonant?
C. No, yeah.
Over here. What's your first consonant?
U.
You already have that U. That U's a vowel. What's my consonant?
E.
No. What's my consonant? Remember, a consonant is any letter that's not a vowel. So what's my first consonant? Which one of those letters is not a vowel? The first one.
P.
Good job. What's my next consonant?
T.
Nope.
S.
There you go. Alright, now what am I going to do?
You're going to see if it's open or closed.
Well, before I can do that, I have to do what?
Draw the line.
Very good. But where am I going to divide? I'm going to divide between what two letters?
The P and the S.
Good job. Alright, now what do we do?
Now we can see if it's open or closed.
Good job. Is this open or closed?
Closed.
Good job! Yes, 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 yes. Is this open or closed?
Closed.
Good job. How are we going to read this?
Up.
Uh-huh.
Set.
Uh-huh.
Upset.
Very good. Feel comfortable with that one? All right, now let's try another one, okay? There you go. Let's try another one. We'll start out with the easy one. Go ahead and write that on your board. M-A-S-O-N. Alright, what do we need to do first? Find our what?
Vowels.
Okay, what's our first vowel?
A.
Okay. What's our next vowel?
O.
Good job. What are we going to do now?
Or make a bridge.
Okay. Once we make that bridge, we need to label our what?
Consonant.
Consonants. Very good. What's my consonant? Between the vowels, what's my consonant?
A.
Nope. Remember, A is already a what?
Vowel.
Good job. And O is already a what?
Vowel.
So now I'm looking for a consonant.
S.
Yes. Good job.
And N.
Well, that's it. Do we have any other consonants in between there?
No.
No. So this is what we're going to try first. We always want to see if we can divide before the consonant and see if that works. Okay? Ready to try? So where are we going to divide?
And back of the A.
Good job. All right. So now what do?
We have to see if it's open or closed.
We have to see if it's open or closed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, here we go. You ready? Is this open or closed?
Open.
Good job! So we're going to put a O. Is this open or closed?
Closed.
Good job. So now how are we going to read that? Because when it's open, what does that vowel say?
It's its name.
Good job. So how are we going to read it? We're going to say what?
May.
A. Uh-huh.
May.
Uh-huh.
Son.
Uh-huh.
Mason.
Good job. You go, girl. You got it. 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 All right. Let's do one more. I want you to do this one by yourself, okay? Let me erase. All right. do that. All right, you ready?
Mhm.
You got it? What we gonna do first?
Count our vowels.
What's my first vowel?
O,
Good job. What's my next one?
U.
What's my consonant?
We have to make the bridge.
Uh-huh. What's my consonant?
G.
Good job. We only have one consonant, so where should we try to divide first?
The in front of the. No, the back of the.
Good job. So we're gonna divide right here. Alrighty. Now, how am I gonna, what am I gonna do now?
See if it's open or closed.
What is that, open or close?
Open.
Good job. Is this open or closed?
Close.
Excellent. How am I gonna read that since this is open? What am I
His
gonna,
name.
okay, so read it for me.
Bo.
Uh-huh,
Gus.
uh-huh.
Bogus.
Good job. Do this one by yourself, okay, and then you're done.
Mhm.
Tempo. Do that one by yourself.